How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I found something else that I'm going to use to make a face mask and a shield. You know, the plastic shield for the face. Okay, I had showed you all this one before. The shield. Okay, I want to make some shields myself instead of spending $25 for two of these. I said there has to be a cheaper and better way. Okay, and for those of you all who have already bought these shields, there were two in a pack for $25 on Amazon. There's a plastic film on both sides of this so it can be clear. See the difference? So before I had peeled off only one side, and then it still wasn't that clear, but I could see through it. And then I got to fooling with it, and it's a film on both sides. So if you got this kind, make sure you peel off the film from both sides. So this one just slips over my head. This goes on the back of my head. This rests against my forehead, and the shield goes down on my face. And of course I wear my mask over my mouth and nose. So I'll put this back in here. And I'm going to show you what I found. This is a durable plastic sheet protector. You know, if you got, let me show you. You can get 100 of these. You already got the holes in it. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave a link. This is what you put in a notebook. Put your paper in there, anything you want to keep nice and pristine. You put it in one of these. It opens up at the top, so you can put your paperwork in it, or document, or whatever you want to save and keep nice. So I said, I can tie a shoestring around the hose that's at the top. Let me take one out. Okay. See this hose at the top? I just put a shoestring in here. And it's going to serve the same purpose as the other stuff I bought. And this was under $15. I think it was $13.99. Something else I found. Evidently, joggers wear headbands to keep the sweat from dripping on their face. I've never been a jogger, so. They're wide. They fit over my nose and my mouth. So I'm going to put this on. Right. Put water that's going to get him the black ones. Okay, I'm not going to put his on. I got blue, black, gray, and green. This was 3 in the pack, and it was, I think, $13.99, and the 2 in the pack was $9.99. So I'm gonna put on the gray one. This is actually a headband. Let's see which way. Getting all this hair out of here. And you can put a piece of fabric in here, paper towel, folded paper towel, to use as a filter. But I'm using one of these cloths that I had cut up in fourths. I'm going to put this in here. I think I'll put it on first. That colors my mouth and my nose. I'm gonna put this in here. Just tuck it down in here. Don't want nothing hanging out looking tacky. This is quick and easy. You ain't got to tuck nothing over your ears. Because I heard that it was the little elastic straps were irritating people's ears. So this is a filter inside of here. Tuck that up. Now I'm put the shield on. Because it's not going to fit as snug as this. Just serve the purpose. And I got a shoestring through these holes so I can tie it. And I can see through this. It's not as clear as the other one. So if I had a hole punch, I could put another, tie this, but I think I would smother. So this will serve the purpose to run in and out the grocery store or wherever. So this is quick and easy. Of course, this is open, so you can find a way to secure this a little more without completely blocking the air. But this will be fine for me. Let me take this off before I suffocate. So these serve the purpose. So I will leave a link for this. It's called Self Pro High Performance Headbands. And I bought them on Amazon. So this was 3 in a pack, and 1 was 2 in a pack. So I'll give Walter the 2 black ones. And it's this, what kind of fabric is this? I don't know. But anyway, this is made for joggers, so it's supposed to wick away sweat and dry quickly. So I can rinse this out, hand wash this, and then it should dry in a few minutes. I haven't had to wash it yet. Just a regular wide headband. Because I think this corona mess gonna be around for quite a while. So even though people are back at the beaches in Florida. So, but I thought this was a good idea to buy these sheet protectors. There's a face shield. So if anybody's right in front of you sneezing, ain't no droplets gonna get through that shield. Now if they right up on you on the side, maybe, but you still got your mouth and nose covered with the mask and the filter in the mask. So if you're gonna buy one of these, cut up a white sock or something to put inside of here so it'll fit over your nose and your mouth. Some people use folded paper towels. Anything. Don't just wear this thin piece of fabric. But you ain't got to make nothing, you just put it on. So I thought this was quite easy. And they still have these in stock. before my honeys start ordering them. They're in stock now. So I'll leave a link in my description box. I'll also leave a link for these sheet protectors. If you're interested in getting a shield and you don't want to pay a whole lot of money for the real one, make your own. And what else? And I use shoestrings. I ain't trying to, you can't find elastic nowhere anyway. So shoestrings will work. I'll leave a link for the bulk shoestrings I had bought. I bought a bunch of them. Under $10, y'all, for a bunch of shoestrings. So I hope this will help somebody. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Stay home, stay safe. And when you go out, be protected. I still see people walking around like ain't nothing going on. You don't believe fat meat is greasy. No mask, no nothing. I saw one girl, she had her plastic shower cap on her head, face all out. And now they're telling you to cover up your hair. Put on a hat or a bandana or something, because them critters can live in your hair for a little while. So be protected, y'all. Don't take no chances with your life or with the lives of the people you come in contact with. Even if you don't care about yourself and you don't believe nothing is going on, care about your loved ones. I know you love somebody. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Thumbs up. And you all be blessed. Okay. Bye.